2 years and 2 months after the National Reconciliation Ordinance was promulgated by former President Pervez Musharraf, the NRO has been thrown out. The Supreme Court has ruled that the amnesty violates the provisions of the Constitution. Now that the ordinance has been done away with, the fate of a number of senior government figures like Rahman Malik and Ahmed Mukhtar hangs in the balance.
Those persons who have been convicted under the Ehtisab Act, they will have to relinquish their office immediately. Those who are being prosecuted, it is on moral ground that they should relinquish their office till such time they are cleared. But the position is, the legal position is that none of them has any protection under the law against the criminal cases or against the civil cases.
But while the doors for corruption cases to be brought against the President's allies have been opened, the President himself is safe. In the words of his spokesperson, the President enjoys immunity under the Constitution.
Well, this is a short judgment of the court which has now come, and since it's a short judgment, the full detailed judgment will come later on. I would therefore also like to make a very short comment on the judgment. That is, number one, the Presidency and the Pakistan People's Party respects the courts and the court's verdicts. As spokesperson of the Presidency, I want to make it clear that we believe that under Article 248(2) of the Constitution, no criminal case can be instituted or continued against the President or a governor in any court of law whatsoever. So we believe that this does not affect the President of Pakistan.
Despite the protection, pressure has been mounting on the President to give up his powers or even resign altogether. Legal experts say court cases against his allies could also implicate him and call into question his eligibility for the presidency.
The criminal cases can't be instituted, they can't be continued. Even those cases which are pending, they also cannot be continued till such time he holds the office of the President. Therefore, there is an immunity to that extent. But it does not mean that the cases will come to an end. The cases will remain pending till such time he either relinquishes his office or he is removed from his office or his terms of office expired. So as soon as that term is over, the cases which are pending or which have been instituted or which have been prosecuted, they will continue in the normal course after his removal or after his retirement or after he gives up the office of the President of Pakistan.
The Supreme Court has already churned up details of President Zardari's alleged personal fortune. Reports about assets in foreign lands have been vigorously doing the rounds in the media. Besides that, the President is also faced with the raging Taliban insurgency and plummeting public approval. And now, with the Supreme Court's latest ruling challenging the offices of his closest allies, it seems Zardari's fate will now hinge on what legal action is taken next. Saad Humayun, Dawn News.